Okay, today is April the 18th, 2017, and right now at 8:30 p.m. we have a temperature of 57 degrees in the foothills. We have a relative humidity of 74.3%. The barometer is reading 30.05 inches, and the dew point is 49 degrees. And yesterday, I skipped a video yesterday, but we had very heavy chemtrail spraying yesterday, as we expected to see as this system moved through. The tail of this frontal system was moving through. We can see there's a transmitter on this thing as it moves through California, and we have jet stream flow moving right through here as well. We'll show the map here in a second. Also, there is a gale force system up here generating about 24-foot seas, 23 to 24-foot swells right up here. Now the problem is we had still have a transmitter following this entire, evaporating this jet stream flow and also following this system through California, and that's why Southern California saw nothing in terms of rain. Okay. Now also yesterday there was a lot of thunderheads over the mountains, which were being superheated by microwave right over the San Gabriel Mountains here in Southern California. Now let's take a look at some of these pictures I took. I was in the car and I quickly stopped and was able to get the camera out. This was probably about, this picture here was taken about maybe 30 seconds or so after the fact. This happens very quickly when they hit. This was a thunderhead that was billowing up, and this was targeted. And I have 6 pictures of the sequence here. So this is the first picture. We can see 3 shock waves right here at various altitudes, up here, right here, and right down here. And we see the collapse of the thunderhead. All right, let's take a look at the next shot. And notice as we go back and forth here, the collapse of the cloud, the thunderhead there. This is the next shot. We'll go back to the first 2 again. We can see what happens here as well. It starts to expand out. And the clouds just completely collapsed. The entire thunderhead just collapses. Now the camera was slipping in and out of focus, but we can see what happens here. Let's go back to the beginning again. So this is how they were stopping the rain, and of course you can see the chemtrail haze all through the picture. So keep an eye when you see these rain chances move through Southern California. Keep an eye near the mountains, because the thunderheads will always develop usually right around the mountain areas because of the lift. And so, but this is what we saw yesterday, and this was going on all day long. And so I just was lucky and happened to catch this. Let's go back to the maps now, and you can see that that system that was supposed to bring some rain to Southern California has moved away. And right now it's dumping rain in Salt Lake City, Utah, right now. And as we move through the maps here, here's the jet stream map. We can see the flow right into Southern California and Central. Now we have a forecast for 90-degree weather on Friday, Saturday, and that is because of a storm system, which is out here about 150, 155, 160 degrees west. Okay, now that is on the jet stream right out here, and that is moving right towards California. Let's take a look at that right now. This is a storm system developing, and notice they've got a transmitter on this right here. This is not wrapping around. They're actually plowing a path right here with that heat, that RF energy, is not allowing any rotation right here in the center. You can see there's nothing wrapping around. Nonetheless, that is a developing storm, and it is on the jet stream, as we just saw on the map here, which is right here. Everything is moving right into Southern California and Central California. So there is a plan to generate some high pressure right in this area. We can see that this system is moving away. The transmitter that is following that is moving away to the east. And we have some residual water vapor moving in, so we should see the chemtrails again tomorrow, Wednesday, with this pattern. But in the next couple of days, the temperatures are going to really heat up in our area because of this developing system, and it's right on the jet stream. So, and also we've got the system here, and we'll just have to keep an eye and see what's happening in the next couple of days. But they will put some high pressure right here, and that will really heat us up. So they're going to probably block this by putting high pressure, installing high pressure right here, and that will redirect the jet stream to the north, and that will stop the next rain chance, which is right here. All right, let's take a look next at the pressure maps. Here's the sea level pressure map, and we see that this is a surface low. This is a surface to upper level low right here. We've got high pressure indicated right over the four corner states. High pressure right down all through here, which effectively blocked and evaporated the jet stream moisture that should have brought rain yesterday and today to Southern California. So this is the sea level map. Let's take a look at the 500 millibar map. We can see that mid-level low right there. There's two of them out here, actually three. And the jet stream moving right into California. We see some transmitter manipulation right over California. Here's the 500 millibar map. Okay, there it is. We've got this surface to upper level low right here, and we have a lot of squiggly lines over the west coast. So high pressure will be installed as these move right into Southern California, towards Southern California and Central California. So here's the map once again, the water vapor map. We can see that storm far out in the Pacific, right here at about 170 west, right here. This is all jet stream flow right into California once again. So that's why, this is why our temperatures are going to suddenly soar, because of what's happening here. They're going to block all this, and starting tomorrow, the temperature is going to start rising. By Thursday and Friday, we'll be up near 90 degrees. Saturday, maybe over 90 degrees. Okay, so that that is the report for today, and we'll just leave it right here. This is that thunderhead we saw that was being superheated. This was happening all day yesterday. Okay, that's it.